Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about JavaScript objects, part of Web Technologies course. JavaScript objects are a fundamental aspects of the JavaScript programming language. They are used to store and organize data and to represent real-world entities such as people, cars, and even web pages. JavaScript objects are similar to objects in other object-oriented programming languages in that they have properties and methods. Properties are values that describe the object, while methods are functions that the object can perform. JavaScript objects can be created in a number of ways, the most common being object literals and object constructors. Object literals are a simple way of creating an object by specifying its properties and methods as key value pairs within curly braces. Object constructors, on the other hand, are more powerful and can be used to create multiple objects within the same properties and methods, but with different values. JavaScript also has built-in objects such as array, date, math, number, and string, which can be used to perform common tasks such as manipulating arrays, working with dates and times, performing mathematical operations, and working with strings. In summary, JavaScript objects are a fundamental aspects of the language, and they are used to store and organize data and to represent real-world entities. They can be created using object literals and object constructors, and they have properties and methods that can be used to store and manipulate data. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.